So, ito ang place sa umaga while preparing breakfast. Dito ang place ko, guys. Busy si Lola. So, ayan, guys. May na-receive ako na letter. One of the creator. Ayan siya. One of the YouTube creator. Miss Jennifer. Ayan. In July 25th, 2020, Ridley Scott, an Academy Award winner, McDonald, invite you to be a part of Life in a Day, a historic global documentary capturing a single day on Earth. Videos from around the world will be woven into a YouTube Originals feature film premiering at a 2021 Sundance Film Festival. What do you think of that, guys? I was invited. Yes, loving it. So, ito ang morning ko, guys. Ayan, I'm doing my plan. Life in a day, colorful outfit. Ayan siya, ukulele. Maybe I will do ukulele. Another painting, baking, and cooking. And I will wear Filipino outfit. Dahil Filipino tayo, di ba? So, ayan siya. Ang ating plan to join the Life in a Day. So, dito ako sa umaga transfer from our guest room, and then pag breakfast time, dito na naman si Lola, mag-edit, reply sa mga fans natin, guys, reply mails from our subscribers, reply their comments. I like to reply comments and encourage them, you know? Ayan. Pag legit kayo na YouTuber, you encourage somebody. You don't want to put them down. Dahil, YouTube, guys, is a plot na you have to encourage everybody. And you have to give them good comments, feedbacks. Yun ganon to improve your content, di ba? So dito ang breakfast area namin.